If you click on that, there's an option to branch into a new chat.
So this is day 2 of our training here at NECA. We do real-world exercises, real-world examples related to the electrical contracting industry. There's a lot of project managers, there's a lot of estimators, safety managers, and there's some C-level execs. Obviously, we're explaining what we're doing and why. We're not just telling them do this, copy paste this, and send it. We're explaining why and then getting their wheels turning. Spend less time doing the very redundant tasks every single day, reviewing their calendar, finding open time, writing emails. Those are some of the low-hanging fruits that they can immediately start implementing.
Going forward, I think it's always going to be a tool to use. I don't think it's necessarily going to replace 100% of everything in our industry, but it's definitely going to make a lot of the more remedial tasks and to help assist you with that so you can focus on the things that are more important, getting the field out to work or getting newer technology out to the field.
I'm explaining it on the screen and they have it in front of them and they can actually walk through that exercise step by step on their own. And then I go around the room and make sure everybody got the end result. One of the biggest ways that it can be used in the electrical contracting space is using RAG technology. That's what a lot of AIs have built in. And what that does is it takes 90% of its energy and focuses on documents you upload. So if you have really good, successful RFI documents or submittals, and you want to replicate that success throughout your team and yourself, you can incorporate those and upload them into AI, have it tell it that this is my version of success, and I want everything else going forward to meet the same standards.
It's great that NECA puts on or offers these trainings because back at Motor City, I think one of the bigger things that we're going to take from it, and he's touched on a little bit, is creating our own council or our own kind of board on how we want to implement AI within Motor City as a company.
There's been a lot of interest in AI in our chapter and knowing how to navigate that field and how to use the tools best. A lot of people use AI, but they only really scratch the surface. And Chris's team does a really good job of diving more into it and to be able to use it and get the maximum amount of benefits from it. It's very valuable to our contractors to have training like this.